plate has come off, and I gotta go get another screw to fix that. And that's to my black and gray tank. And I guess just driving down the road, make the screws come out, and so I gotta fix that. And that is to my wastewater holding tank. Should be a fairly easy fix once I get the other screws put inside there. Always something. Check back with you later. So I went to the hardware store and purchased some screws. They're actually called self-drilling screws. And they actually were too small. Well, they kept popping out once I would install them into the Airstream to hook the wastewater holding tank up, and it would just pop right out. So I went back to the hardware store and I got two more that were a little bit larger than this. These are the originals, and I was able to install those into the wastewater holding tank. I also picked myself up one of these garden mats. They're excellent for doing repairs on your RV, so you don't hurt your knees. Anyways, I was able to go ahead and screw that in, and it actually has held so far. Now when I go down the road, we'll see what happens, but just a quick fix, and it's gonna hold up that wastewater holding tank in place, and I'll just keep an eye on it. So fairly easy repair that anybody can do. Just buy yourself a few extra screws at the hardware store. Thanks for watching.